Hello guys, welcome to Cryptomalu community. Today we are going to discuss on Ascendex Exchange Freela token giveaway worth of 12,000 USDT. The first step is to just register in the Ascendex account if you don't have an account and complete KYC level 1. Now we can go to the Gleam link for the giveaway entries. Just 44 hours only left for the airdrop. You can see the details of the airdrop in the page. Almost one entry is worth 0.2 USDT approximately and will be distributed after 10 days after the end of the event. The first step is to provide the Ascendex UID number. In order to get the Ascendex UID number in the app, you need to go to the profile section and copy it. If you are using the website, you need to convert it into PC mode and also to the desktop mode to get the UID from your My Profile section. In the mobile version of the web page, you cannot see the Ascendex UID. And the next step is to follow Ascendex Twitter account. I already followed, so directly I am entering. And the third step is to follow Freela's Twitter account. Now we need to retweet the tweet provided by the Ascendex Exchange. Just hit a like also. You can see 61,000 USDT worth trading contest going. If you wish, you can participate in that too. Join the Ascendex Telegram group. I already joined, that's why it's showing joined. Join the Freela's Telegram group. There's no caption and all. The next big step is that we need to write a blog post. In order to do it, we can use Twitter, Medium or Reddit. First you need to copy the hashtag which is necessary. You can go to the Freela's announcement page in the Telegram and you can find loads of articles. You can copy any of the articles. I'm using here Twitter to post the blog. First of all, I am pasting the hashtag which is necessary and an article which I had copied and posting the tweet. Now click on the view button, get the share link and enter the link in the column provided. You will get 35 entries worth for it. The last step is to refer friends. In order to get more entries, you can refer maximum to get 20 points. That's 10 friends you can refer maximum. Okay, with that we conclude that airdrop. We can have a look at the other events which happening in our Telegram group. The Venus token reward for the XVS holders was already distributed. Also, we can see the proof of SafeBlood's airdrop which already concluded. And another important thing about JoulSwap's announcement, they are going to stop trading of JoulB and Joule token, and they are completely going to concentrate on JoulD since there was a flash loan attack happened. So JoulB holders should send their tokens to the address provided them. They will be refunded as JoulD tokens in 7 days. It's an important announcement. And the Yoshi NFT winners should claim it before May 31st. Also, you can see the details of the TRX, TUSD, BTT, JST, and Tron blockchain coins holders airdrop of the AP NFT token, how much minimum you should hold, and the supported wallets, which is Huobi Exchange, Poloniex Exchange, TronLink Wallet, Math Wallet, Lbank Exchange, etc. etc. For Meme contest, you can join this WhatsApp group provided, and the Trustparts next IDO, which is Quant token IDO, is live. You can get some entries. Also, you can see my video how to participate in that. There's a video on Binance Future Trading. Also, you can see the recent rewards of Binance events which concluded recently. Also, the AMA rewards for KuCoin AMA that have been distributed. Thank you and have a nice day. For more airdrops, keep subscribing our Telegram channel and the YouTube channel. The link is provided in the description.